In the peaceful side of the Smokies, your dream home awaits. Welcome to 7632 Powderhorn Trail in Townsend, Tennessee. This custom-built Nantahala floor plan provides 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a half bath for over 4,200 square feet of luxurious living area, all offering unobstructed Smoky Mountain views. Step into the great room. Facing a large wall of window, you look out on a picturesque scene, all beneath a cathedral ceiling. The floor-to-ceiling gas fireplace rests on wall-to-wall hardwood flooring. Now to the sitting room. It offers up a pass-through fireplace that also warms your cozy open back deck. Now this is truly a welcoming dining room. It's outstanding in the handsome interior. And the island kitchen offers a rich wood cabinetry finish, commercial-grade gas range, and spacious pantry. Every bedroom was custom designed for the personal wants of every member of the family. Here's your master beneath a tray ceiling, and the master bath is gorgeous with 2 vanities, a deep garden tub, and an open walk-in shower. Upstairs is a bonus room that would make an excellent executive office, perhaps a guest bedroom if you prefer. And downstairs is the perfect entertainment area with ample space for a media room setup, and here we have the ideal location for your bar. With plenty of lounge area on almost an acre of property and those unforgettable views, 7632 Powderhorn Trail is one you must visit. Call Jackie S. Mills at Realty Executives Associates Direct at 865-748-2851 for your private tour.